Hello, my friends. I will start this course with this section because it's important to understand what ChatGPT is and why we will be using it. Also, it's important to know how to use ChatGPT to improve and speed up our work as a developers. And I would like to thank you for choosing to buy this course and support me. And also for making an important decision to support yourself in your own development. So, ChatGPT is a social media trend, so don't waste your time and learn how to use this technology to improve your professional performance. In this lecture, we will learn about the ChatGPT interface and how to use it to improve our development. You are currently viewing the OpenAI website. To find ChatGPT, go to the top of the page, then click on the Try button. Now we are on the ChatGPT platform and this is the ChatGPT interface or chat window, which contains simple tools that are extremely easy to use. This is a conversation screen or chat interface where you can interact with the AI model and receive responses. As you can see here in the conversation screen, we have examples, capabilities, and limitations. Examples ChatGPT provides us with 3 examples to test. Capabilities, remember what users said earlier in the conversation, allows user to provide follow-up corrections and more. And finally, limitations. You can read the limitations from here, conversation screen, or you can read all limitations from OpenAI blog. To start the conversation, we will use the message input box is located here. It allows you to enter text input and send messages or questions to the AI language model. You can use different languages such as Arabic. This is the only way for you to interact with the AI language model. When you type a message into the input box and hit enter or the send button, the message is sent to the AI language model, which is generate a response using natural language processing and machine learning capabilities. The response is returned to you and displayed in the chat interface. You can copy and paste text or codes from external resources. We will do it through this course. But what if ChatGPT provides a response that doesn't fully answer? In this case, you can use the message input box to provide additional context or to ask follow-up questions. Simply type continue, then hit enter. Near the response generated by the AI, like or dislike icons. You can send your feedback by clicking on it. Whenever you start a conversation with ChatGPT, it will save in conversation history in a column on the left side of the screen, also known as a chat history or chat log. You can click on the new chat button if you want to start a new conversation or if you want to clear out a previous conversation and start fresh. Each conversation is given a title by ChatGPT. When you select the title or this tab in chat history, you will see 2 icons, a pencil and trash. So you can use this pencil icon to edit or rename this title by clicking on it. You can use this delete conversation trash icon to delete this specific conversation. Be aware that deleting the conversation will permanently delete all associated messages and information. So it's a good idea to record or screenshot the conversation before deleting it. When you are sure, click the check mark and it will be deleted and start new chat. In the chat history column, we can see clear conversation button. This button allows you to delete all of the conversations in the chat history column. Light or dark mode button. This button allows you to switch between light and dark mode. OpenAI Discord button. This button allows you to join the OpenAI Discord server where you can interact with other members and learn more about the OpenAI community. You may not be familiar with AI Discord, so let's try to ask ChatGPT what is Discord. So this is the response. I will read the 2 or 3 lines. Discord is a popular communication platform designed for online gaming communicates, but also used for various groups to communicate through voice, video, and text. I think you should be learn more about Discord. So try to ask ChatGPT more about this topic. Updates and FAQ button. This button provides access to the latest updates and frequently asked questions about ChatGPT. Logout button. This button allows you to log out of ChatGPT and ending your current session. This course contains a PDF file to assist you as well as a reference for you. This article for the lectures related on this section. In the next lecture, we will have a conversation with ChatGPT to get answers to our questions. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.